and welcome to my channel. My name is Robin and this is my closet. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future videos, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I do all sorts of unboxings. Beauty, makeup, lifestyle, jewelry, clothing. I've been trying them all. So today I have a brand new subscription. It is called You Are Beautiful. And I think each and every one of you are absolutely beautiful. I've made so many friendships on YouTube and I just want to keep on going. So I'm going to close the blind. I'm trying to find a good place to film because I film outside and the sun it's better. It doesn't look better, but I just don't want the sun in your eyes. So again, I'm doing a You Are Beautiful. It's a brand new subscription for me. I think I actually found it on my Facebook feed. And I got a notice that said it was delivered and I never received it. So I contacted Laura with the company. Super nice, got back to me right away. She was very concerned and I got it today. So super nice, great customer service. And I'm here to tell you that this box smells so good. So whatever is in here smells really good. And I can't remember if it's a monthly subscription. I think it was like $40, but I will leave the link. I'm not sure if there's a discount code, but I'll leave the link so you can go directly to their website and read up on it, and I'll put down how much it was and if it's monthly or quarterly. And of course, oops, sorry, it's got bubble wrap. And the first thing I take out looks like a makeup bag. You Are Beautiful. So this is super nice. It's white with black. And I think I'm gonna give this to my daughter because I think she's beautiful inside and out. But this is really cute. And this is, I think they link up with Made with a Mission. And so proceeds get donated to a lot of these causes. And when I dig out the brochure here, I'll let you know. But look at this box. I have no idea what's in here. But it's a really nice box. Oh my God, it's a candle. And this is the smell that I have been smelling in this box. Wow. Trying to see if there's a, oh my God, I could just sit here and sniff the candle. You can't really see it, but it's got the M and M for Made with a Mission. But I am here to tell you, if you're a candle lover, this is the candle to get. Oh my God. I would just love to like stick this candle in my purse just for the smell. So far, a 2 out of 2. And bath teas, how-tos, have the best bath ever. Make sure you put the bag in a dry bath directly under the faucet. The pressure from the water will activate the bubbles and change the color of the water depending on the box. If you don't have great water pressure, place the bag in a spaghetti strainer directly under the faucet and keep it there. This will create more air between the bubbles and give you more of them. Be sure to find us on Spotify at Made with a Mission for a special playlist for each box. Oh my, I just can't wait. I feel like stopping the video and actually going to take a bath right now. It's in here somewhere. Look at all the stuff that is inside this box. Wow. So, this is the Pure Bliss Bath Tea. There's 4 tea bags. So, oh my God, the smells are amazing. You just place a tea bag in your bath and turn on the water. Oh my God, can you see this? You just put this right under your faucet. And there's 4 of them in here. Wow. You should smell my house right now. The other one is a Muscle Rescue bath tea, and it's got 4 tea bags. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. I wish you guys can smell this. You would be like over at my house wanting to steal my tea bags to take a bath. I have never seen anything like this before. This box really, it's earning its cactus. This is Roaring River. It's a men's bar. Made with a mission, was founded on a desire to promote artisans nationwide to give them an outlet. So yeah, these are like little owners, and I don't know if you've watched Audra Rowdy Girl. She is this gorgeous woman, and she just did a video about how she only buys from, you know, people that are just starting out in business to kind of give them a helping hand. So this definitely would fall in that. So this is the men's bar. Oh my God. It smells like a man. So if I could just get him to use it, I'll be good to go. Oh my God, there's still so much other stuff in here. This is Galactic Mint Soap, cold processed and handmade. Oh my gosh. I am so sorry that I am getting so excited, but if you can just smell all this, you would be right along with me. And there's still more. This is Lavender and Lace Soap, and these are all homemade. Wow. Look at that bar. Okay, this is going to get me motivated to take a bath, put on my robe, and not do a thing today. And I think there's one more thing in here, but I didn't see a sheet that explains everything that's in the box. So I don't know if it comes with a sheet or it's on the outside, so let me look. This is Pure Goat Milk Body Lotion, and look at the size of that. Wow. So I got the 8.5 ounce, okay, 3 bath bars, these tea bags, and I am going to use one tonight, so on my next video I'll let you know. This candle that smells crazy good, and my beautiful, and I think I am going to put a couple tea bags with this to send to my daughter. And I am just looking, guys, to see. I don't see anything that explains what's in the box, but I am going to leave their website below. And if you're a bath lover, a candle lover, a soap lover, this gets a 10 cactus. I have never given out a 10 cactus before, but this is it. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and thank you so much for watching my videos. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.